Hello lovelies, you're all welcome to Delicious Kitchen. My name is Tolu. Lovelies, I brought you the quickest, easiest, the most delicious one pot meal called couscous. We're going to prepare this in a special way and it will be perfect for any occasion. I bet you're going to love this. In a pot, I'm going to pour the vegetable oil I'll be using today. I'm not just going to use it like this. I'm going to add onions and I'm going to fry the meat I'll be using for serving this couscous in the very oil I'm going to use for cooking it. Yes, we all know the onion is going to flavor the vegetable oil, and of course the meat is going to make it special as well. So the vegetable oil I'm going to use for cooking this couscous is a special one through what I've just done now. So after this, lovelies, I'm just going to take the fried meat out of it and I will reduce the quantity of the vegetable oil. We don't need that much, just a bit is okay. So into the oil, I'm going to add tomato puree into it, and I'm going to add mixture of herbs, oregano and thyme. I'm going to add chili flakes for the heat vibe, seasoning and salt into it, and I will add meat stock. Yes, that's the meat, the water I use for boiling the meat. I took just like 4 tablespoonfuls of meat stock and I added it into it. So I gave it a gentle mix and I'm going to allow them to cook. This has cooked very well and fine. I'm just going to stir it now, and after that it's now time to add the couscous. This is how it looks. Yes, I'll be using 500 gram. Please check the comment section or the description box. You're going to see exact measurements of all the ingredients used. All right, so I pour the couscous now into the sauce. Yes, you can see me pouring it into it. Please remember to follow, remember to subscribe, remember to like, leave a comment. Let's be friends. Let me appreciate you. So I give it a gentle mix. I'm going to mix them together just like this. Have you watched this video up to this stage? That means you are a fan. Kindly subscribe, turn on your notifications and leave a comment. So lovelies, I gave it a good mix for it to be really well mixed with the sauce. You can see how it looks now. It's now time to add water into it. That's the water I'll be adding into it. Please don't forget to check the description box and the comment section for the exact measurements used. All right, so I'm just going to give it a gentle mix and I will continue adding other ingredients into it. I'm going to add onions, diced onions. I'm going to add green peas into it. And I'm going to add diced paprika as well. Diced onion, green peas, and diced paprika are what I've just added. Now I cover and cook for about 7 minutes. Lovelies. Now I open it and I'm just going to use this fork to flux the couscous, and this will help to separate the grains and you will have perfect looking couscous. In fact, looking at it, you will think you're looking at jollof rice, but this is not rice, this is couscous. I served it with a fried meat. This is super yummy.